Yeah, if he put some outside for you.
Let's follow those footprints. Where do they go?
Out the door?
Oh, see?
Let's follow them. Come on.
They went that way.
Just don't step in the poop. Sorry. Oh, there's more.
Whoa! Look at these footprints. Where did they go?
It's this way.
That way? Let's follow them. Maybe we'll find some more eggs.
It's this way.
Whoa!
You found one.
That was pretty quick. What do you think he did? What did he go? He went hop, hop. He was hopping around. Whoa! You got an egg. Follow those footprints. Whoa! Look!
Wow.
I think you might have missed one. What's over here, Sophia? That's all right.
He was in your...
He went in your house? The Easter Bunny was in your house. Holy smokes, was he in there? Did he hide anything in your house? What? Wait, hold on, look. What else is in there? Do you see on the stove? Is there another one? Look behind you. Oh, wow. All right. Are there any more footprints? There's more?
Follow those footprints.
Let's follow that trail. Let's follow these bunny tracks, right?
Whoa.
Whoa! Keep following this trail, right? Don't follow me. Follow that bunny trail.
Follow his footprints.
Where did he go? He went that way, right?
Yeah, look, he went this way.
See? You gotta follow.
Follow those white footprints. Yeah, follow the footprints.
Let's check him out.
Okay, keep
Oh.
looking for eggs.
Whoa!
This way.
Yep.
No.
All right, keep following those footprints.
Follow them tracks.
There you go.
They go this way, lady.
They go that way.
See? Here's more. Follow this track. He went here. And then he went here. What's that? Is that an egg? Did he stick that egg on the wall?
No, this one.
That looks like an egg. Pull it off.
Pull it off.
Oh!
It's one.
It's what?
Easter egg.
It's one.
Put it in your basket.
That's a weird one, right? Put it in that basket.
Good girl, Sophia.
So what did he do? I guess he went hop,
And then he hopped over.
and then he went over the fence, I guess into the little girl's yard behind us, right? I guess he went to the other children's yards.
All right, let's go inside and see all our
Wow.
eggs. Open our eggs up.
Let's
see
go
what
look
he
at all our
found.
goodies. That was a nice Easter rabbit.
He was super nice rabbit.
Oh, Sophia, what's over here?
Look, we missed one.
Is there a purple egg over there?
Right there,
Look at your
look.
feet down here in the grass. Oh,
You got him all.
nice
All
job.
right, come here. Step, step.
You did a good job finding those
Wipe your
eggs.
feet. Wipe them. Remember? Okay, let's open up all your eggs. See what's in them.
Here I come, sweetheart.